This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the PSD and selecting the exact text layer. This ensures you modify live text rather than a raster image. Use the Type tool or click the layer thumbnail to enter edit mode and inspect the font family and current point size in the options bar. Make sure the layer is not rasterized. If it is, undo or replace with an editable text layer. Once done, you're ready to adjust size precisely with the controls I'll show next. Now change the size by typing a new point value in the character panel. This is precise and non-destructive. Alternatively, press Ctrl or CMD+T to use free transform for visual scaling. Hold Shift to maintain proportions in older Photoshop versions. In newer builds, proportional scaling is default, so watch the link icon. If you expect further edits, convert the text layer to a smart object first so transforms remain editable. Make sure kerning and leading still look correct after resizing. Finish by checking render quality. Ensure anti-aliasing and pixel snapping settings suit the output medium. View at 100% to confirm crisp edges. If the text appears blurry after scaling, undo rasterization or recreate the text at a higher document resolution, or rasterize only after achieving final size. Save your PSD to keep layers intact, then export the flattened file for delivery. One key troubleshooting tip. If transforms produce distortion, convert to a smart object and reapply scaling to preserve fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.